Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to another video. So today the car that I'm going to review is the 2017 Dodge Neon. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay guys, so this is the car. Let's take a 360 around it first. So this was the 360 of the car. Okay guys, so this is the Dodge Neon 2017. It is a 4-door compact sedan and its dimensions are: length is 178.4 inch, width is 70.5 inches, and its height is 58.9 inches. And with a wheelbase of 103.8 inches, it has a trunk space of 18.3 cubic feet, which is a lot. And the features on this Dodge Neon, it has many features which I'll show you when we get inside the car. The fuel economy on this car is 6.2 liters per 100 kilometer. This is the combined fuel economy, which is excellent. So now let's take a look at the interior of the car. Okay guys, so this is the key to the car. And I love this flipping key, which flips and then opens. So now I'll unlock it. There, the car is unlocked now. So now we will get inside the car. And this is the overview of the interior. So now if I get inside the car and I close the door, and the door has a solid sound to it, and then this is the driver's display. So now I will go ahead and start the car, but before that let me show you the features on this car. Okay guys, so this is the car. This is the steering wheel with a Dodge logo on it. Multimedia steering wheel with cruise control, Bluetooth and everything. And the sound of the horn is like, you hear that? Yes. And when we move towards the center console, it has this radio, and then these are different buttons for different things. This is the climate control, the shifter. It is a Triptonic actually, as you can see. These are the cup holders and the handbrake, and that's the passenger side. Then it doesn't have a sunroof, but it has the lights here and the sunshades both sides. And one thing that I love about this car is, if you see the headliner, there is a curve right here. This curve makes it look like the Bugatti Chiron. That's what I think of it. Okay guys, so now we will go ahead and start the car. So this is the key. It goes right in here. So now I will start the car. There goes the car, and this is the display, the speedometer. I love the sound of it. And there are many modes over here. See, this shows the fuel economy, this shows the distance, the average fuel economy, distance covered, the range and everything. You can even change it to miles per hour by clicking OK button, and then you can change it back to kilometers per hour. Then if I talk about the features, it has many features such as the cruise control right here, Bluetooth and steering wheel controls, and this is the FM, and you can connect the phone also. It has the Bluetooth system. Then this is one special thing, this button, you see, and you see their city is written. If I close it, city off, and when I turn it on, city is on. And this city is for the steering wheel, so if you are in the city, the steering wheel gets a bit you can say heavy, and when you are driving in the highway, you can change it to the highway mode. I mean, you can turn off the city mode, and that will make the steering wheel lighter, and that way your car will not move around. So these are the AC vents. Let's turn on the AC. So this is the AC. This is the shifter, as you have seen it before. And like, this car is, I just love it. So now we will take a look at the front and the powertrain of the car. So let's close the AC, and then I will switch off the car. Okay guys, so this is the view under the hood. This is the engine, that's the battery and everything. So this car is equipped with a 1.6 liter V4 engine that produces 110 horsepower and 152 Newton meter of torque, and the top speed on this car is 192 km per hour, and it goes from 0 to 100 in just 11.2 seconds. With, although it's not a sports car, but the numbers are good. And its fuel tank capacity is 45 liters. So now we'll take a closer look at it from the front. This is the car. Okay guys, so now we will get into the back of the car. So this is the overview of the back. Ignore that tissue box and the water bottle. And solid sound to the door. And this is the back. It has quite a bit of leg room. Actually, I pulled the seat back a little bit because when I was showing the front, I pulled it back, so that's not a big deal. And I love the color combination, the red carpets with this grayish blackish interior seats, and this is cloth seats. As you can see, these are cloth seats, and this is the view of the front from the back. It's pretty amazing. Okay guys, so if you are in the market for a compact sedan, the Neon is a great choice, I think. Its 1.6 liter V4 engine is a great engine and fuel efficient engine, which is light on your wallet, and it is a good daily driver. If you ask me, this is my personal car and I love it. And the styling, I'm just obsessed with the styling. Look at the front. It's inspired from that Dodge Charger or something. Look at this. And now if you go towards the back, like, the styling and everything is epic, and it comes equipped with many modern features, which makes it great on my list. So this was today's video. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next video. Until next time, bye.